Ladies and gentlemen. Alright, so I just got through working on the job posting, making it so the user, the employer, can update and edit the job posting before it's posted by the AI bot, the chat bot. But right now, I'm not even going to test it yet. I'm going to create the voice agent. Now, I hadn't messed with this since it's been updated. Let me show you what we got going on here. You have options of pre-configured agents. I've never even used this feature. I usually just create an agent from scratch. That's why I never use this, but I see it has 5 stars, 4 reviews, 15,000 downloads. So I'm going to use it. Seems like a jump start. And we'll find out how it works. Oh, that was quick. Your agent will soon be created. You can begin configuring it as your business goals, as per your business goals. All right. Well, here's where we're going to start. Not now, buddy. Okay, wait a minute. Getting started. Voice agent. Everything on few things. Create your first voice agent sign. Spin up a new voice agent in Replit. Test talk. Assign a number. And go live. Alright, I thought what we just did took care of this part, but I guess not. Before we get there though, they're already, wait a minute, GoHighLevel plus Josh. Interesting. So, the agent comes with a knowledge base. So maybe I'm misunderstanding. The agent is to sell agents maybe, which edit could be cool. I don't see a knowledge base. Alright, that's alright. We can add one. I guess it's just a placeholder. That's not, wait a minute. GoHighLevel plus Josh. The agent name was Samantha. I don't really know how this works as far as this goes with what I only installed one of the pre-made agents, and her name was Samantha. This is a knowledge base for GoHighLevel Josh, so that's what I mean by I don't know how this all works. But we're going to create one, but first I'm gonna go over here to Replit, because the knowledge base that we need in order to remember, this is going to perform the task of helping small business onboard. well, post a job description. So this is what I want to do. I'm going to say, put it in plan mode because I want to ask it first and make sure it understands what I'm saying. I am setting up the voice agent to do its part for setting. Maybe this is going to cost. Well, alright, so people start using it a lot, then I'll put a paywall on it. I'm setting up the voice agent to do its part to be able to set help the small business create its job posting. You to create a knowledge base and then prompt. Well, let's do one thing at a time. Knowledge base to use is for the agent to use for being able to help the small guide the small business through the process. It should mimic closely how a chatbot would do it well. In my mind, that is true. The point is it needs to behave in a way to get the finished results, which is a job posting that is perfect that aligns with the company users' desired outcome or users' talent search. Well, now the agent is going to have to. How is this going to work? The agent is going to have to send this to. Oh, okay. It's going to have to send it to the same engine that creates the posting, and then let that take over. Once the agent has decided with the caller that this is okay, yeah, this is good, this is what I want, then it sends it. Okay, that's the point. It needs to be a way to get the finished results, which is a job posting that aligns with the user's talent search. I suppose that means making sure the user, that means at the end telling the user what the post and title will be, getting the approval. Okay, let's not skip. Making adjustments if needed, getting approval to post, then sending it to the same part of the coding that does the posting for chatbot. I suppose you probably already know to do what is needed without me saying that. It's an, oh man. Alright. Okay. added. Oh, what happened? Are they gonna respond? Is it thinking? Part of what I said is not even relevant to the. Well, it is. The prompt and the knowledge base has to work together. Put it that way. So now I'm saying afterwards, I will also need a prompt that goes along with that works with that knowledge base. I understand you want to create a knowledge base document that will guide your GoHighLevel voice agent through the job posting process via phone conversation, similar to how the chatbot works, but organized for voice interaction. Let me first check if there's GoHighLevel. Yes, it's integration. I guess I should add. See, I was planning on integrating this with Samantha. Let me just add that part in case. Now, remember, this is also a service that we or job talent posters on the job board provide. So the voice agent should also sell the service, or I should say the concept. Soft selling, more precise, just creating subtle awareness that this is AI voice which can be used to greatly benefit busy small businesses with limited resources. Maybe at the end of the call, it could say something like, look in your search and remember, if you loved this experience, it is one of the things that you can implement in your business. Actually, during the assistance with searching for talent, the AI agent could interject if the person doesn't mention voice AI, how about, by the way, what you're experiencing right now could be installed in your business? If you understand the value in something like this, you might want to add voice AI to your talent search. Let's see what it says. Now, normally I do stuff like this in ChatGPT. Brilliant strategy. This is meta selling at its finest. The voice agent demonstrates the value of AI by providing an amazing experience and then suggests that they could have this in their own business. Exactly. What was I saying? I have no idea. Oh. Always and forever. Each moment with you is just like a dream to me, and somehow come true. And I know tomorrow will still be the same. So waiting for me? I'm waiting for you. Oh, there we go. Oh, no, that is not. There we go. So I don't know what we're doing here, and since I don't know what we're doing here, I'm going to say R. R. Are we ready? Oh, I was saying usually I'll do something like this in ChatGPT, but the thing is, Replit Agent has all of the relevant information that we're working with to do this. So ChatGPT, as long as it can do a good job with it, I think it can. Should be able to. Switch to Bill. Let's Bill. Well, the question is, oh, it can put it on the screen though, even if it can't give me, might not be able to give me a document, but it could put the prompt here on the screen for me to copy. Works for me. You can put it in a Word document, then save it. You can paste it directly into the create a knowledge base. Let me show you. Replit AI. You know, file. Well, we don't know how it's going to give it to me yet, so let's wait to see. that song in 10 years. Now I want to hear it. Created a voice agent. Get out of here. You already got the document done? Perfect. I've created both comprehensive documents for you. Let me update the task list and documents. Let's see how this is going to work. So there are oh, you could give me a URL, so I don't even need it except for to look over it, but add documentation for integrating a voice agent through job postings. Oh, no, well, I don't think it ever created my dashboard. I'm gonna ask it, okay, how do I get the documents? Another alternative is if you built my dashboard, which I don't want it to do it now. If it was supposed to a long time ago. You can have a container or repository for the prompt and knowledge base URL that will exist on a URL. That way I can update it as needed just by changing the text. Well, I can also just change it on GoHighLevel too, actually, with the document though. And if it can't give me the document, then this could be a way for me to get the document, but I can also just copy it. Yeah, let's leave this off. Because if it says, well, actually, I can't give you a download, then I'll just say, put it on the screen and I'll copy it. How do I get the documents? You could paste the content of each on the screen if I can't download. Oh, it also can create a file in the file folder. which is how I could download it. Let's see what it says though. Maybe I can download it from the. Great question. These documents are already saved to your Replit project. You can access them directly from your file folder. Okay. Voice agent job posting in the root folder. Okay. So you go over here to that, and then files, and then the root. There it is. Oh, that ain't it. Here it is right here. Put on that one. You are not voice AI yourself while helping them post their job. You are voice AI yourself while helping them post their jobs. You'll subtly demonstrate the value of voice AI technology they could implement in their business. Your personality: be friendly but professional, helpful like a consultant, not a salesperson, efficient but patient, keep the call moving but never make them feel rushed, clear and concise. Use simple language, short sentences, natural pauses. Raise awareness. You see why you want AI to help you structure this? Because you're thinking about all the details. Opening, greet warmly, explain the process, 3 to 5 minutes, ask questions, read back, child post, get approval, get the name and company name. What about the number? It is very detailed too. Alright, so you are the product demo. Well said. I didn't think about saying it like that. Mention number 1, mid-call, timing, right after engagement, type, before read back, script. Perfect, by the way, what you're experiencing. I don't agree with having a specifically worded script, but that's how they teach sales. One-on-one at least, till you get comfortable, and then you can do a little freestyling. Don't freestyle. Go by the script. Just go by. KPI indicators. Man, it's gonna get changed though. Alright. So now, how do I go outside this? That didn't do it. Oh, how about I just close it? And then open the files again. How about I just right click? Nope, that don't work. Nope, that don't work. also paste the full content here for easy copying. Which would you prefer? Option A, just open the file in your Replit file explorer at the top level. Is there a way to download the file from the explorer? I don't see a download button from there. Or do I need to copy and paste it from there as well? GHL setup instructions. I could have been done, copied and pasted. Let's just open the text. So let's copy it. I'm scared of doing that. Oh. Paste it. Save it as let me put it over here. Oh. .md file. I'll do it for both. Save it as an MD and also as a text. Yeah. It should take an MD file. Let's open the other one. That's the prompt. This is the knowledge base. Why is it there? All right, so now we're ready to upload the knowledge base. Let's see here. It doesn't take PDF, docs. Let's try it anyway. Maybe it's just not updated yet. Nope. So we have to make it it doesn't take text either. Okay. Oh, my bad. Oh, well, I think that's the last one we copied was knowledge base, right? Knowledge base. There you go. Now what's wrong? Has not exceeded the characters. What's the problem? Well, probably pasting it in there is not what it wanted to do. I got links in there that I didn't use this and all of that. Maybe that's why it's not giving me the option to save. Or JSON. Did it give me JSON to use? Man, I'm gonna be stuck with this domain name. Support, huh? so let's create a document. Extracting the content. Good. We're in business. Now let's go back and let's go over here to get started. Create your first voice agent. Cut and then browse marketplace. We already did that. I don't know what happened to her. Uninstall. So it's installed. Oh. AI sells itself. Upgrade. 2 cents a minute. 5 minutes. What's that? 10 cents. All right, so now we need the prompt. So this is going to be interesting. So I got to see how it's going to. I got to look again. Well, it has to be pulling from that knowledge base, but I don't know why they got a different name than the agent name. I don't know. We'll see what's going on. The purpose of the call is setting expectations for demonstration, gathering essential context, including the name and user's business, their industry. Maybe instead of doing the job posting, well, no. All right, I know what I'm gonna do. I got 3,000 words left. How long is my? Let me see how long my prompt is. I'll just put my prompt in front of this prompt and say, all right, I'll put my prompt in front of this prompt and I will say, first ask, are you calling to get a demo or to post a job? There you go. If it's to get a demo, then you go to this prompt version. You go to this part of the prompt. If it is to get a job, then you go to the part that I'm gonna post. Problem solved. That is, if it will fit. If it's over 3,000 words, I'll just have to do another prompt altogether. Another agent, my own agent, basically. Or I could put the additional prompt in the knowledge base and say go to the knowledge base to get do the same thing. Ask what is the reason for the call? This is. All right, so let me go over here. Close that. Open the file tree. Prompt. New document. Save it in the cloud. And I'm going to save it. Oh man. Oh, okay. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Oh, I forgot. I need to actually get the. How many words? That's what I'm supposed to be doing. Oh, 1,800 words. Great. This, man, what is all this crap? This can't all be part of the prompt. See how you gotta you see how you gotta look over this stuff? I think my battery's dying or something. And just gonna upload it. Actually, I'll give it let's see what it says. You're absolutely right. While it's very well structured, it's got more layers than needed. The goal is just to keep it simple, clean, and realistic for a high-level voice agent. Cold outbound calls. Nah, man, just give me the. I already told you what it's for, so you're asking a dumb question. Now, what happened? Let's see what Replit came up with. Gotta get the emojis out. Hold on, I gotta use the bathroom. should take care of it. I gotta put 2 after the role for the original part. Here is over 2 specifications. All right. So now it will evaluate the prompt. Let's see what it says. And here you see it says during the call and after the call. Follow up SMS during the call. After the call ends, it's going to send an SMS as well. I don't know why this is saying a trigger for after the call ends instead of just having it there. But all right, now let's see. The action follow-up text has the trigger prompt immediately after the call ends. The prompt refers to handing all to an assistant who will send a text message but does not explicitly instruct the AI to ensure this happens immediately after the call. To improve alignment, clarity in the prompt, that the follow-up text should be triggered as soon as the call concludes, matching the action's trigger prompt. Custom variable usage for personalization. The prompt does not use any custom variables. Clarifying trigger for follow-up text. Alright, I'm gonna go finish this on the beach. I think I'm gonna end this video. I say I think because this is my first time actually taking the laptop to the beach. And the good thing is I gotta switch computers. Oh, I still got time. I still gotta waste some more time though. I gotta switch computers, and this is in the cloud and not on a hard drive, but the video that you're watching, that you're watching right now is still on the hard drive. So I do have to do that before I leave. And I'll catch you guys later.